Hello students, welcome to 11th Commerce Accountancy. In the previous video, I have explained about the accounting equation and the types of transaction. Now we will see in this video the types of transaction with examples. So you will be clear that how it is possible to apply in the accounting equation. Okay, so we will start now with the first type of the transaction, and that is increase in asset with increase in capital. ओके एक साइड इंक्रीज हो रही है एसेट और दूसरी साइड कैपिटल इंक्रीज हो रही है. हाउ इट कैन बी पॉसिबल? फॉर दिस वी विल सी वन एग्जांपल. Yes, Mr. starts business with rupees 5 lakh cash. Okay. Now what is here? On the asset side, what will increase? And on the liability side, what will increase? Look here, there are two sides as we know in the accounting equation. Okay. Now on the asset side, what will increase? Yes, Mr. S starts business with rupees 5 lakh cash. So cash is increasing, means asset is increasing. Okay, so we will write here cash rupees 5 lakh. Okay, now this cash he brought to start the business. Whenever any cash brought to start the business, that is called capital. It is a capital. Okay, so it is increase in the capital. Okay, so we'll note down here 5 lakh rupees. So both this become equal. Okay, so this is the first type of transaction, that asset increases, capital increases. Okay, now the next is increase in asset with increase in liability. Asset increase हो रही है और दूसरी साइड liability increase हो रही है. How it can be possible? We will see. Goods worth rupees 50,000 purchased. Goods worth rupees 50,000 purchased on credit. Yes, they are purchasing goods but on credit. Okay, so what is happening here? Goods purchase means stock. Okay, so you are purchasing the goods, it means increasing the stock. So on the asset side we have to maintain the stock with increasing, and we have purchased this goods on credit basis. Okay, credit basis means payment is due. Okay, so there is a liability named creditor. Okay, so on the liability side we have to show creditor. Okay, so cash, same, cash would be 5 lakh, and one more thing here, that is stock rupees 50,000. Okay, here, and on the liability side what will happen? Capital same 5 lakh rupees, but plus करेंगे उसमें creditor, because we have purchased the goods on credit, that is of rupees 50,000. Okay, so this is the second type of transaction that we have seen already. Now number 3, increase in decrease in asset and decrease in capital. Decrease in asset and decrease in capital. Asset decrease हो रही है और दूसरी साइड capital भी decrease हो रही है. How it can be possible? We will see one example. Mr. A withdrawn rupees 10,000. Mr. A withdrawn rupees 10,000. Okay, for personal use. पर्सनल यूज के लिए वो विड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है? व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर? यस, दे आर विड्रॉइंग कैश, सो कैश डिक्रीजेस ऑन द एसेट साइड, as well as drawing is the part of capital. Okay, so you are withdrawing some amount from the business, so it means that there is decrease of the capital, क्योंकि वो कैपिटल में से विड्रॉ हो रहा है. ठीक है, So decrease from capital also, and on the asset side decrease from cash because you are withdrawing cash. Okay, so decrease in asset on the asset side, sorry, decrease in cash on the asset side, and the liability side decrease in capital. Okay, both side we have to show the effect. So cash was 5 lakh rupees minus withdrawal how much, 10,000. So that would be 4,90,000 rupees plus the stock was 50,000. Okay, is equal to 5 लाख कैपिटल थी, उसमें से 10,000 अगर हम माइनस करेंगे, माइनस 10,000 करेंगे, सो 5 लाख माइनस 10,000 दैट वुड बी 4,90,000 and plus creditor 50,000. Okay, so this is all about the equation. Okay, here also 540,000 and here also 540,000. Same accounting equation is equal here also in the third equation, third transaction. Okay, that we have seen already. Now we'll switch to 4. Okay, wait. Number 4 is decrease in asset and decrease in liability. Decrease in asset, decrease in liability. Okay, एक एग्जाम्पल है वहां पे, मशीनरी, एक मिनट, हाँ भाई, तो एक ट्रांजेक्शन था यहाँ पे, पेड रुपीज 40,000 टू द क्रेडिटर. ओके, इन दिस एग्जाम्पल. So what happens here? Paid rupees 40,000 means cash decreases. So decrease in assets. Okay, cash decrease होगा, minus 40,000 होगा cash. ठीक है. And on the liability side, creditor it is to be paid. Okay, so creditor भी decrease होगा. ठीक है. So on the liability side, from creditor we have to minus 40,000. Okay, so this is called decrease in asset and decrease in liability. Okay, now number 5. What is number 5? Increase and decrease in assets. Okay, increase and decrease in assets, yani only one side the effect is to be done. Okay, how it can be possible? One example we will see. Machinery of rupees 50,000 purchased on cash. Okay, we have purchased the machinery on cash. So what is happening here? Cash decreases, cash minus हो रही है, कितनी, 50,000 रुपीज माइनस हो रही है, और उसके सामने मशीनरी जो है वो इंक्रीज हो रही है, वो भी एक एसेट ही है. ठीक है, सो मशीनरी प्लस हो रही है. So one is getting minus and the other is getting plus. Okay, so it becomes equal here also. Okay, so this is the number 5th type of transaction, increase and decrease in assets. Okay, number 6. In number 6, increase and decrease in liability. Increase and decrease in liability, yani it means that on the liability side the both effect will be done. Okay, how it can be possible? I will give an example. Mr. A accepted bills payable of rupees 2,000. Okay, now what is bills payable? Whenever if you have any creditor, okay, and if you give a check to that person, so it means that that check is now your liability and that creditor is getting ruined. Okay, यानी कि वो अभी creditor अभी आपका नहीं है क्योंकि आपने उसको check दे दिया. So check is your liability. अभी check आपका liability है, वो creditor आपका liability नहीं है. ठीक है. So same here, bills payable is one kind of check that you are giving to the creditor. Okay, So bills payable is the new liability for us, and creditor will be decreased from the creditor. Okay. So on the liability side, you have to, what you have to do here, क्रेडिटर में से माइनस होगा, कितना होगा, 2000 रुपीज माइनस होगा, बिकॉज इट इज डिक्रीजिंग, बिकॉज यू आर गिविंग बिल्स पेबल टू देम. ओके, एंड बिल्स पेबल इंक्रीज हो रहा है, it is the new liability for us. Okay, so it will be increased. So both effect on the one side. This is number 6 type. Now number 7 type. 7 type is increase and decrease in capital. Increase and decrease in capital. One example, IOC allowed rupees 5,000. IOC means interest on capital, which is to be given to the partners. Okay, that is called interest on capital. That is allowed rupees 5,000. Interest on capital 5,000 allow कर दिया है proprietor को, ठीक है. So what is this? It is a charge for the business. Okay, so will be decreased from the capital. One more thing, it is a part of profit. So it will be added in the capital because capital increase हो रही है, क्योंकि वो प्रॉफिट का पार्ट है. So एक बार माइनस होगा, एक बार प्लस होगा. From what? Yes, from capital. Okay. So on the liability side, capital, from capital, one time माइनस करो 5,000 और one time प्लस कर दो 5,000. हो गया. So that is called increase and decrease in capital. Okay. Two remains transaction we will see fast. नंबर 8. नंबर 8 क्या दिया है? इंक्रीज इन लायबिलिटी एंड डिक्रीज इन कैपिटल. इंक्रीज इन लायबिलिटी एंड डिक्रीज इन कैपिटल. ओके. रिटायर्ड पार्टनर कैपिटल of rupees 60,000 kept as a loan. The partner who is already retired, okay, but his capital is not given to him, but it is kept as a loan in the firm. So his capital is now converted into loan. So capital decrease हो रही है, क्योंकि capital तो दे चुकी है, हम दे चुके हैं उसको. लेकिन उसने क्या बोला है, हाँ भाई ये मुझे नहीं चाहिए, अभी आप लोन रखो, ये मेरी तरफ से आपको लोन है, रखो रखो आप रखो. सो लोन इज द लायबिलिटी फॉर अस. ओके. सो क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, कैपिटल डिक्रीज हो रही है, लायबिलिटी इंक्रीज हो रही है. ओके. सो फ्रॉम कैपिटल वी विल डू माइनस एंड अदर लायबिलिटी लोन. ओके, पार्टनर्स लोन. ठीक है, पार्टनर्स लोन इंक्रीज हो रहा है 60,000. That is also liability. Okay. And the last one, number 9. Increase in capital, decrease in liability. Increase in capital, decrease in liability. Okay. Partners loan of rupees 50,000 converted into capital. जिसने लोन दिया था वो भी क्या बोल रहा है, हाँ भाई मुझे मेरा जो 60,000 लोन है ना, उसमें से 50,000 कैपिटल में कन्वर्ट कर दो, क्योंकि मुझे पार्टनर बनना है, वापस पार्टनर बनना है. आई वांट टू बिकम अ पार्टनर अगेन. ओके. माय 50,000 लोन कैप्ट एज अ कैपिटल. सो क्या होगा यहाँ पे, एक लायबिलिटी डिक्रीज हो रही है, कैपिटल इंक्रीज हो रही है. ठीक है, बिकॉज दे आर कीपिंग एज अ कैपिटल. ओके. So in capital it would be plus. प्लस कितना होगा, 50,000 प्लस होगा. और जो पार्टनर्स लोन थी, ठीक है, उसमें से माइनस होगा 50,000. अंडरस्टैंड? So this is all about the 9 transaction that I have given in the first video, and this is with the example. This is the explanation with example to you. Okay. So I hope so that you are now very well known about this all transaction and you are aware of that very well. Okay. If you have any doubt, repeat this video. Okay. Thank you very much. Goodbye.